What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review, taking a look at a case for your Google Pixel 4a. So this is by Supcase. Big shout out to them for sending this out for a review. This is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro series case for your Google Pixel 4a 2020 release. Full body, rugged, holstered case with built-in screen protector. This is black. You can get it for $19.99 on Amazon.com. I'll drop that link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So the Unicorn Beetle Pro has been around for a long time. These are definitely excellent protective cases for your device. Here are a few of the features and details. So this has built-in kickstand, built-in screen protector, shock-proof TPU bumper, rotatable holster clip, raised bezels, and wireless charging compatible. Now these are drop tested up to 20 feet as well. So here's the packaging. They always have this nice packaging here. So you see, drop tested right there, military drop standard drop tested Unicorn Beetle Pro. And here are a few more of the specs here. You guys want to read that? This is a black one. So let's take a look at it, man. So the Pixel 4a is still around. Still a great device to have in 2021. So you get a little installation guide here that tells you how to apply it. You get a nice holster and some more instructions here telling you how to put it in the holster. So here's the holster. You can see it has that carbon fiber look right there. Very nice sturdy holster if you want to use this. Has this rotating clip, 360-degree rotation, and there it is. So that is a nice clip, belt clip if you want to wear it. So let's get this plastic off of here, and here's the case. Yeah, see, it has a little bit of branding there. Unicorn Beetle Pro, cut out for your fingerprint sensor. And let's get it apart and get it on the phone, and then we'll go around it. So that sticker that I took off tells you to separate it right here. I should have shown that, but you just take it apart like that. Get that stuff out of there. Get this plastic out of here. All right, so this does have a built-in screen protector, as you guys see. Now I do have a tempered glass on my Pixel 4a, so I'm not going to take that off to demonstrate this. So you pop the front piece on just like this, and I always drop the bottom in first, and then I just snap this all the way around. Just like that, guys. As you guys see, there are some little grooves there. You make sure you get it all the way around in the grooves, and that is that. All right, guys, so let's go around it here. So at the bottom, speaker, microphone, cover spot here for your Type-C charging port. Going to keep your dust and debris out of there. Got this nice textured, grippy material cutout design here on the side of it. At the top, you got a cutout for a microphone. You do have a cutout for your 3.5mm headphone jack with a flap there to keep dust and stuff out. This side, you got Supcase branding here. You got that grippy pattern again here, volume up and down, and power button. Power button is textured. The volume up and down and the power button are raised, so that's good when you have it in your pocket. You can kind of feel those when you're pulling it out. And on the back, you got a nice deep recess area for your camera there. So you're laying it flat, it's going to be kind of hard for something to get in there, not unless it's sticking up. You got this carbon fiber look on the back of it right here. Got these little feet that's keeping it elevated when it's on its back. Little feet here. Got a little UB Pro branding right there. Got a nice kickstand that you can use to prop up and look at your YouTube or whatever you want to watch. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney, Will H Tech Review. You do have a nice area here for your fingerprint sensor. Let's see if that works. So right in, let's try that again. And I have no issue getting my finger in there, so that is nice. Nice raised area here. Even though this has a screen protector, it's not going to be on your screen. So that's nice. Doesn't add a lot of bulk, as you guys see. But this is a small device, so I think it feels better with this case on it. So let's check our buttons here. As you guys can hear, nice tactile clicking on the volume. Power button works great. Fingerprint works great as well. And on your screen protector, you do have cutouts for your sensors and your camera. And now this has a built-in screen protector, but I also have a tempered glass, but they seem to be working well together, so no issue with that. So yeah, man, this is a nice case for your Google Pixel 4a. Here it is snapped together. So that's very thin if you're someone who needs to use this holster. It's not going to make it real bulky. It does add a little, a little thickness, but if you're using this, you're looking for protection, and this is great protection. So the link will be in the description for this, guys. The Unicorn Beetle Pro for your Google Pixel 4a. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.